This is a great salad dressing for any salad of your choice. Sometimes I substitute dill with cilantro. Let's make it. We are going to make today a garlic dill salad dressing. A fresh dill here, one bunch. We're going to use 4 cloves of garlic. We have a half a tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of mayo, some salt and pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon each at first. We have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We have either honey or date molasses. You want to use about a tablespoon of that. We are going to put all this into our blender and mix it up for a great dressing with any salad your choice. I'm going to start by washing the dill. I'm going to cut it up and then do the garlic. So I'm going to put my dill that I've washed inside the food processor. I'm going to crush my garlic so I can peel it easier. So this is not a big deal. I got my dill inside my food processor with my garlic. Now I'm going to put 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to put a tablespoon of mayo. Put half a teaspoon of mustard. A tablespoon of honey. You can use any honey. You can also use date molasses. I just happen to have this avocado blossom honey, but you can use any honey. And I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then you can taste it and add more later if you like. That's it. So I have everything in here. I have my dill, my garlic, my oil, salt and pepper, my honey, my mayo, and mustard. Always push down your ingredients. Another couple seconds. Very easy to make and quick. Taste it? It's perfect. I'm going to add this with shredded cabbage, but you can add this to any green salad you'd like. Now this could be a sauce for schnitzel. You can use this with a chicken dish. This could be a good sauce also with tofu. And if you want to do the same recipe, instead of if you don't have dill, you can use dry dill. Always good to use fresh, but if you don't have, I would use like at least 2 or 3 tablespoons of dry dill. Or you can use cilantro. It's delicious.